Alrighty, Tim, here's a 347 small block 4 gear description. This combination got a set of our ice cast heads. Obviously, it's Borla stack injection, custom grind hydraulic cam in it. Got the period correct oil pan. Going to go in a GT40. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 410 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 434, peak horsepower 449, so everything runs good. We'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things here. See your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. Also, we'll have this engine spec sheet, lots of information on there. Highly recommend reading all that. Have a great day.